If you're looking for the best hotel for your trip to Dubai, then this video is for you. This ranking, based on traveler reviews and our own experience, will introduce you to the best hotel for a family holiday, the hotel with the best location, the best value for money, the most luxurious hotel, and finally, our absolute favorite hotel in Dubai. If any of these hotels catch your eye for your next holiday, I've included all the details in the description below, along with the best prices. You can also scan the QR code with your phone to access the offers, and stay tuned until the end of the video, as we'll give you a tip for finding the best price. A big thank you to all the travelers who like this video. Let's get started. Number 5, Atlantis The Palm. Situated on Palm Jumeirah, this hotel is the ultimate family paradise for an unforgettable stay. Upon arrival, you'll immediately be struck by its impressive architecture and enchanting surroundings, with a private beach and endless turquoise waters. What truly sets this hotel apart, however, is its incredible range of activities. It grants access to the famous Aquaventure water park, the largest water park in the Middle East, featuring thrilling slides and a famous ride through a shark-filled tank. For a more peaceful experience, head to the incredible aquarium, where children can admire over 65,000 marine animals. The rooms at Atlantis are spacious and elegantly decorated, with modern furnishings and ultra-comfortable bedding. They offer spectacular views of either the ocean or the Dubai skyline. The marble bathrooms are simply stunning, with deep bathtubs and high-end toiletries, perfect for a moment of pure relaxation. When it comes to dining, Atlantis truly excels, with over 30 restaurants offering a wide variety of world cuisines, including Michelin-starred establishments. The buffet restaurants are ideal for families, offering an extensive selection that will delight both young and old. For relaxation, the hotel boasts several impressive pools, including the Royal Pool, perfect for a relaxing swim, and the Zero Entry Pool, designed for families with children. While the little ones are having fun at the kids' club, parents can enjoy a well-deserved break at the spa. This wellness sanctuary offers relaxing massages, treatments inspired by global traditions, thermal pools, and hammams. Atlantis, the Palm is much more than just a hotel. It's a true destination in itself, perfect for families seeking a blend of relaxation, adventure, and awe. If you're interested in this hotel, I've included all the details and pricing in the description below. Number 4, Kempinski Central Avenue, Dubai. This establishment is one of the best located hotels in Dubai, right in the heart of the downtown area, just a few steps from the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping centers in the world. Whether you're here for shopping, fine dining, or iconic attractions like the Dubai Fountain, everything is within walking distance, making it the perfect choice for those who want to make the most of the city without wasting time on transportation. The hotel offers an elegant and refined atmosphere, with modern decor inspired by European luxury. The rooms and suites are spacious and comfortable, featuring large windows that provide unobstructed views of Dubai's skyline. The plush bedding guarantees a restful sleep, and each room comes with a sumptuous marble bathroom, complete with a rain shower and deep bathtub. The suites even have separate living areas for ultimate comfort. For relaxation, the hotel's rooftop boasts a stunning infinity pool, offering a panoramic view of the city. After a busy day, the spa and wellness center offer relaxing massages and high-end treatments. Food lovers will appreciate the hotel's elegant restaurants and bars, offering refined international cuisine and expertly crafted cocktails. This Kempinski is ideal for those who want to be at the heart of the action, while enjoying a luxurious and peaceful setting. With its unbeatable location, stylish rooms, and top-tier facilities, it offers an unforgettable stay. Number 3, Marriott Marquis Hotel Dubai. This 5-star establishment is one of the most impressive hotels in the city, and even holds the title of the world's tallest hotel with its 2 72-story towers. Located in the Business Bay district, it's perfectly situated just minutes away from the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and Dubai Opera, making it ideal for a combination of exploration and relaxation. With 1,608 luxurious rooms and suites, the hotel features a modern, minimalist design with every detail crafted for comfort. The huge floor-to-ceiling windows offer spectacular views of the city or the canal, immersing guests in the unique ambiance of Dubai. The high-quality bedding guarantees a restful night, and the spacious marble bathroom, complete with a rain shower and large bathtub, invites relaxation after a day of discovery. One of the major highlights of this hotel is its exceptional dining options, with over 12 restaurants and bars serving international cuisines. Among them, Prime 68 offers a high-end steakhouse experience with panoramic views, while Tong Thai delights fans of Asian cuisine. For a drink in a trendy atmosphere, head to Vault, a sky bar on the top floor offering breathtaking views. For relaxation, the hotel's spa is a true sanctuary, featuring treatments inspired by Middle Eastern rituals, a hammam, and an indoor pool. The hotel also boasts a large outdoor pool surrounded by sunbeds and cabanas, perfect for cooling off under the Dubai sun. With its premium services, diverse dining options, and impeccable service, this Marriott is one of the best choices for a luxurious stay at an affordable price. However, be aware that rooms get booked up very quickly. If you're interested in this hotel, I've included all the details and prices in the description. Number 2, Burj Al Arab. This hotel is the ultimate icon of luxury in Dubai. Perched on its own private island, connected to the mainland by a private bridge, this sail-shaped masterpiece is far more than just a 5-star hotel. Many visitors consider it 7-star for its unparalleled opulence and global reputation. Its prime location offers a breathtaking view of the Persian Gulf, and the experience begins the moment you arrive. Whether by chauffeured Rolls-Royce or for the most privileged by helicopter, stepping inside, you're instantly transported into a world of marble, gold, and crystal with a 180-meter-high atrium, one of the largest in the world. There are no standard rooms here, only extravagant suites, each designed like a luxury apartment spanning 2 floors, featuring a grand spiral staircase, private lounge, office, and a spacious walk-in wardrobe. The high-end bedding, exquisite fabrics, and personal butler service ensure an entirely tailored experience. The marble-clad bathroom is just as spectacular, with a jacuzzi bathtub, a rain shower, and Hermes amenities for the ultimate indulgence. The culinary experience here is equally extraordinary, with world-class restaurants. Dine surrounded by a giant aquarium, or opt for a restaurant 200 meters high, offering breathtaking panoramic views. Lovers of brunch and haute cuisine will be thrilled by the Michelin star-level creations served in this hotel. When it comes to relaxation, the Burj Al Arab sets the bar incredibly high. Guests have access to a private beach, as well as the exclusive beach club, where you can unwind by an infinity pool overlooking the sea. The Talisa Spa, located at a height with stunning city views, offers ultra-luxurious treatments, a hammam, indoor pools, and even a suspended infinity pool. The Burj Al Arab is more than just a hotel, it's an extraordinary experience, tailored for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and personalized service. With its iconic architecture, opulent suites, and impeccable hospitality, it truly embodies the ultimate dream stay in Dubai. Number 1, Atlantis, the Royal. Recently opened on Palm Jumeirah, this architectural masterpiece is a true work of art, with its futuristic stacked block design and breathtaking views of the ocean and Dubai's skyline. Everything here is designed for an exceptional stay, from ultra-personalized service to world-class facilities. The rooms and suites are simply stunning, combining modernity and refinement. Every detail exudes luxury: floor-to-ceiling windows, sumptuous bedding, cutting-edge technology, and marble bathrooms with showers and bathtubs offering panoramic sea views. Some suites even feature private pools on their balconies for an ultra-exclusive experience. One of Atlantis the Royal's biggest highlights is its unmatched culinary offering, with 17 restaurants, some led by Michelin-starred chefs. Dining here is a true experience, from fine dining to lavish buffets and unique concept eateries. The hotel's pools and private beaches are equally impressive. The most iconic is Cloud 22, a rooftop infinity pool with spectacular views of Dubai. With private cabanas, a lounge vibe, and signature cocktails, it's the perfect place to unwind while watching the sunset. The hotel also offers a pristine private beach, family-friendly pools, and exclusive access to Aquaventure Water Park, ensuring plenty of adrenaline-fueled fun. Luxury shopping lovers will also be delighted with high-end boutiques located within the hotel. If you're looking for the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in Dubai, this is undoubtedly the place for you. Now here's our tip for finding the best hotel deals. First, go to the video description and click on the link for the hotel you're interested in. Then, select your travel dates. Once you've entered the dates, you'll see the best available offers to book the hotel. Simply click on View Deal to complete your reservation. So, which hotel caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments. I hope this top 5 of the best hotels in Dubai helps you plan your trip. Feel free to share this video, and a huge thanks to everyone who leaves a like. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Wishing you an amazing stay in Dubai. See you soon.